I've buffed these floors in here, part of it. I've got a buffer sitting out there in the floor, and that's where I stopped. So I want you to see what's going on with these floors. This is buffed. We buffed it with a white pad. Now, out where the buffer's at, past the buffer is not buffed. So the buffer's right over there. So a straight line across right there to that wall has not been buffed yet. This over here has been buffed. Buffed, not buffed. Still shiny, but it gives it just a little pop running that white pad over it. Nothing's on this floor except the polyurethane. Nothing's on the floor except the polyurethane. So we're buffing the polyurethane and giving it a little bit of bump back. It'll dull out a little bit, and then we bump it back with a white pad. So these floors have got a lot of life left in them. They are scratched, they are dented, they're well used, but we can make them look good. So these are the hardwood floors. They're done. This is our cleaning process. We clean up all the muck and the yuck and stuff off of them, and we buff them back so they look a whole lot better than what they were. We started off that they were using cleaning product, good cleaning product, but it was just improperly mixed up. They weren't following the chart on mixing. So 1 ounce to a gallon or whatever it is, you need to stick with it. So what it was doing, they put too much in, and when it dried, it would haze. There would be stuff still cleaning product left on the floor. So it made them look terrible. So they called us up and got us in here, and we cleaned all that extra cleaning product off of the floor, buffed them back, and made them look good. So we are going to sneak out one of these side doors. Building is secure and locked down, so that's going to be it for tonight. If you guys got any need for getting your hardwood floors clean, we got another process that we call screening. We screen them. They just got light scratches in them. We'll screen them and put some more poly on them. Or we can completely 100% sand them down and refinish them. Carpets, clean carpets, hardwood floors, ceramic tiles, VCT for the commercial settings. So if you got any needs to get your floors clean, give us a shout. We'll take care of them for you. That number would be 513-817-1700, Olmec Reflections. You can schedule an estimate online or the job online. We'll take care of you. All right, guys, for sneaking out. We'll catch you on the flip side.